Dear students, now let's see the different landforms formed by work of a river. The work of river varies from place to place depending on the volume of water and the speed of the river. The upper course or the young stage of a river generally lies in the hilly areas. As already mentioned, due to steep slope, the river flows very swiftly and erodes its bed and the banks. Many types of landforms develop due to the erosional work of the river in its first stage. V-shaped valley and waterfalls are the major landforms formed in the first stage. The erosional work of the river results in the widening and deepening of the river valley. Such a valley is called a V-shaped valley. In hilly areas, the river moves swiftly. Thus, there is more erosion and transportation of these sediments and practically no deposition over here. A steep-sided deep valley in the hilly areas is called a gorge or a canyon. The Grand Canyon of the Colorado River in the USA is the perfect example of this canyon. You can see in the pic also. Hey, can you guess what this picture is about? Yes, this is a waterfall. Children, when the water of the river falls almost vertically down a steep valley side, a waterfall is formed. They are very important because they can be used to generate hydroelectricity. Let's see some of the famous waterfalls in India and in the world. Children, this is Girsoppa Falls or Jog Falls on the Sharavati River in Karnataka. It has the height about 260 meters. This is Nohakalikai Falls in Cherrapunji, which is located in Meghalaya, and it is the highest waterfall in India with a height of 340 meters. Children, Niagara Falls in North America and Victoria Falls in Africa are other famous waterfalls in the world, whereas Angel Falls in Venezuela at South America is the highest in the world at 979 meters. Children, that's all for the work of river in its first stage.